Hey kids, let's learn conjunctions today. And, but, or. Look at these sentences. Suhana is both intelligent and hardworking girl. Sahil was sick, but he came to school. You can use a pen or a pencil to write a letter. The words and, but, and or are joining words. Joining words are called conjunctions or connectors. A conjunctions connect words or group of words or short sentences. We use and to combine similar ideas or to add additional information. For example, this Tuesday is a holiday and I would like to go to zoo. We use but to show a difference or an opposite idea. For example, giraffe is tall but rat is short. We use or to show a choice between two or more options. For example, what would you like, an ice cream or chocolate? Remember to add a comma before the conjunction when you connect sentences. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and click on bell icon so that you can get notification of my new videos.